Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a Virgo inspired makeup look. This look is requested by Ate Roxanne Benavente. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to moisturize my face using Wet Code Moisturizing Emulsion. Now, I'm going to prime my eyes using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. For my brows, I will be using this violet shade from Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. On the same palette, I'm going to use this pink shade and apply it above my cut crease. I'm going to use this dark red shade and apply it onto my crease. Now it's time to cut my crease. I am using the same concealer, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and just blending it carefully. For my foundation, I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible in the shades of 304.
Open my chest and I'll let you sink in. The devils within that turn me against myself.
For my under eye, I am going to use Maybelline Instant Rewind Eraser Concealer.
Struggle, but take my last breath, please take my life tonight. Whoa, yeah, baby, you will follow.
For my mascara, I am going to use Full Lash Bloom of CoverGirl. For my blush, I am going to use Style London, and I will be using this also for my contour. This time, I am going to draw the Virgo sign on my forehead. I have to be very careful of doing this because my liquid liner is not that good. I don't know what happened and I have to do it again off camera. This time I am going to draw a flower. I am using a pink eyeliner. I'm going to use this shade to add some color on my Virgo sign.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!